Hello guys, let's learn some colors name. Red color, purple color, pink color, violet color, black color, olive color, dark blue color, lime color, green color, brown color, gray color, yellow color. Let's try to learn some alphabets. A for apple. B for box. C for cow. A for avocado. B for butterfly. C for candy. D for door. E for egg. F for fish. G for gun. H for honey. I for insect. J for jar. K for kingfisher. L for lotus. M for monkey. N for nails. O for oil. P for piano. Q for question. R for ring. S for sky. T for tree. U for university. V for van. W for watch. X for Xerox. Y for yogurt. Z for zero. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next videos. Bye bye.